Now, this next technique is incredibly effective for helping you to get more testosterone built in your body to help blood flow into the testicles, which of course is going to lead to harder, stronger erections. It's very simple to do, but it might not be easy in the beginning and it takes some getting used to. But I guarantee that if you do this at every shower, you will see benefits very quickly. So what you want to do is take your two hands, cup the testicles, and pull them close to your body, and you let that cold water at the end of your shower run down your chest and into your hands. So basically your testicles are sitting in a pool of ice cold water. Now this might sound like a form of torture. In the beginning, it's a little bit tricky to get used to, but what I have done is slowly, day after day, you get the water a little colder, a little colder, a little colder, and your body gets used to it. Now, I've already told you about the tremendous benefits of cold water training, whether it be in a shower, a bath, the ocean, or the lake, whatever access you have. But the more cold water training you do, the more testosterone it builds, the greater your mood, the more blood flow. And this is what we need. We need blood to flow into the genitals to get strong erections. So by doing this technique at the end of every shower for 2 minutes, I count in my mind, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, all the way up to 120. And that way I know I'm not cheating and getting out faster. And I let that cold water flow into my hands and my testicles sit in that pool of cold water. And this is also developing willpower. It's developing strength of mind. It's developing your determination, your ability to have mind over matter. And one of the tricks that I have learned is to change the interpretation of the sensation of cold water. Some people think, oh my God, this cold water is so cold and it's hurting and it's painful and it's sharp. Well, actually, what I have experienced by changing my perception and interpretation of that sensation into this is energy, this is power, this is radiating throughout my body and giving me this incredible vibration that's lifting my mood and giving me strength and willpower, then I look forward to that cold water because I know that that cold water is an amazing form of therapy that has helped me to master my erection. And I do this every single day in my cold shower for 2 minutes. So make sure you just cup those hands under the testicles, let that water flow in, count so that you know how long you've been in there, and you will get to see that when you get out, the blood starts rushing back into the testicles. And this is what's going to help your testicles create more testosterone, leading to stronger erections. So it might be tricky at first. I'm not saying that this is an easy one, but I am saying it's an incredibly powerful one. And if you incorporate this different practices into your life habits, each time you go to the bathroom to take a leak, you can just press that urine out as fast as you can or stop and start the flow of urination. And every time you're taking a shower anyway, finish with a couple minutes of cold water, get those testicles in that cold water, and within a few weeks, you're going to see a major difference in the strength of your erections. So get in that cold water.